Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Raisin and today I'm going to tell you something. In case you're wondering on what type of broker am I using right now, I'm using the XM. And in XM broker, you could trade in crypto, you could trade in Forex, you could trade in stocks, in different commodities and different metals such as gold and silver. Now this type of trading is leverage trading, okay? In the past, I am just trading in spot and I would say that I'm already profitable in spot. I already have my investments in spot, but in futures trading or leverage trading, I would say that I'm too far from being profitable. I mean, I could not find my best strategy in leverage trading or in futures trading, and I kept on losing money in this type of trading. Now, I want to overcome this weakness and I want to overcome myself by making it as a challenge. As of the moment, I already have $45 in my account. And what I'm planning to do is to challenge myself to grow this small account and grow this to $100. Okay, so I will be updating you guys and making a series out of these videos. And yeah, I'll be showing you my process, my gains, my losses, my wins, my mistakes, and all as I go along in this journey. So, yeah, anyway, here is an update for my portfolio. Last night, I lost $10 because I traded Bitcoin and the market was so crazy last night. It was a bloody crypto last night. And I told myself, okay, I will stop trading because I already lost $10. But you know what happened next? I traded again. And this was the result. All right. So in the process, I lost another $30 for that. Okay, I hope you can see that on your screen. So that is what I got from being so hard-headed. And I told myself that I already lost a big amount of money, and the small amount of money that I was left with, I am going to use that and find a better position and give everything that I got. And in the process, guys, this is what happened next. I positioned myself again, and this is the result. I won $35 back. Okay, so that is what happened to my trade last night. It was a very painful process, but in the end, I learned a very important lesson that I really need to stick on my plan, right? Originally, my plan was not to trade anymore because I already lost $10, right? But because I was so greedy and I was trying to find the bottom of the crash last night, I traded back again, and as a result, it made the situation worse. Okay? But yeah, that is what I got from being so greedy and having no plans at all. But in the end, I managed to regain myself and I managed to regain my balance again. So, yeah, that is what happened last night. And now Bitcoin is at this level right now. We are already at the 62,000 levels. Okay. So this is my update for my $100 challenge, and I will just be posting several videos, maybe in shorts or maybe in the long form content, and I'll be updating you guys in the process. You know what, guys? Trading in crypto is already hard, but trading with leverage trading or futures trading makes it even more harder. So just trade with the amount of money that you are willing to lose. All right, so thank you so much again for watching. I'll update you guys next time. Have a great day. Peace out.